Good morning. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, as you all know that today is your CET. Of which chapter?
Chapter 2. Long and short.
Yes. Chapter number 2, long and short. So are you all prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask
Yes,
you
ma'am.
questions verbally first? Can I ask or yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1 kilometer equals to how many meter?
1,000. 1,000. 1,000 meters.
Half a kilometer, how many meters?
500 meters. 500. 400
And one 1 meter equals to how many centimeters?
meters. 100. 100.
Okay. Half a kilometer, sorry, half a meter equals to how many centimeters?
50 centimeters.
50 centimeters. Okay. So just a minute. Give me 1 minute. I will post this link in the classroom. Okay. I will post the CET link in the CET folder. Then you have to click there. And from there only you can enter. Give me 1 minute to post this. Even as well as I will post this link in the chat box also. I'm going to post the link in the Maths CET, Maths Chapter 2 CET. And you will find this link in the CET folder. So go to the classroom. You have to click from there. You all know there is a Maths CET column. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now refresh. Now refresh your classroom fast. Refresh. Refresh your classroom. Got it? Everyone got it? Those who are not able to log in, I'm going to paste the link in the chat box also.
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Yeah, I have pasted the link in the chat box also. Harsh, you have entered now. So as you know that today is the CET. So please join from the classroom as well as the link is here in the chat box also. And join from the classroom Math CET folder. Is there any child who is not able to log in the CET folder? Write your name in the chat box. Harsh, can you able to open the Google form? Thank you. Is there any child, again I'm asking, is there any child who's not able to log into the Google form? Mohammed Momin, are you able to open this?
No, ma'am. Please send in the chat box.
It is there in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Refresh your classroom, everyone. Refresh your classroom, everyone.
Ma'am, we have
Yes,
to write our name in capital letter.
any. In any form. Jignesh, can you able to open the Google form? Mohammed Momin now. Okay. Now I will ask each and every child personally, and you tell me whether you are able to open or not. Arav Hapani. Children, you have to say yes or no. Arav Hapani.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to log in?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. We have to write one capital letter only
What?
in CET.
There are options given, my dear. You need to select the
No,
options.
ma'am. Name. We have to
Name
write.
in any form. Arush Miyane. Arush, are you able to log in?
Yes, ma'am.
Arth, yes or no? Are you able to log in? Arth Gujarati?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay. Dheer? Dheer? Dhwani? Okay. Hare? Very good. Harsh Keswani?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dheer, are you able to log into the Google form?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hia? Hia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to log in?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jignesh?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Krishav?
Ma'am,
Yes, Arth, tell me.
I can open it. See.
Okay. Yes, yes. Krishav? Krishav, are you able to log into my Google form?
Ma'am, it is showing you need permission.
My dear, I think then you are, because you are logged in with the another ID maybe. So
No,
what
ma'am.
do,
It is on the.
my dear, but it is showing you, but maybe some another Gmail ID is open. So do one thing, close all the
No,
Gmail
ma'am.
IDs. Krishav, you will not notice, but by default, the computer will take the another IDs if it is open. So better do one thing, close all the IDs and go only open the TVIS ID. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
Lakshya Dola, Lakshya.
Yes, ma'am. I am open.
Okay, Mohammed Momin already told yes. Mohammed Kuledi.
Yes.
Okay. Moksh Patel. Moksh Patel. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Pragyan. Pragyan, yes or no?
Ma'am, it is showing my sister's ID, so I can't log in with my ID. So I can do it with my sister's ID.
No problem. Do it.
Ma'am, my sister name is Gauravi Sisodia.
So it's okay, but when you are submitting the form, you writing your name, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will able to see it. Shivani and Shivangi, both of you able to log in?
Yes, ma'am. We are able to log in.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedi Viha Vihan Vyas. Are you able to log into the Google form?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please start doing. And mute your mics, everyone. And in case if you need the notebook to do any solution, keep the notebook with you and do solution in that and then tick the answer. There are the options given here.
I can add in book.
Yes. What?
I can add with in book.
Yeah, in the notebook and then write the answer.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
we can calculate in the maths notebook.
Yes, yes. I'm going to present the form to you all and I will read the answers for you all. Sorry, the questions for you all in case if you feel any difficulty.
Options.
Yeah, options. And the I will read the questions. In case if you feel any difficulty, please let me know. My form is visible to you all? Yes or no, students? Because when I present, I'll not able to see you all. Is my Jignesh, my form is visible when I'll show? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, now it's visible.
I'll read the questions and the options for you all. 5 meter equal to dash centimeter, 50 centimeter, 500 centimeter, or 555 centimeter. There are three options given. You need to select the one answer. Find the length of the given lizard. Note gap between each small line is 1 centimeter. So what is the answer? In which unit will you measure length of a sari? Centimeter, kilometer, or meter? How many meters are in 1 kilometer? 100 meter, 1000 meter, or 10,000 meter? Find the total distance between rabbit and finish line. Which of the following can be length of someone's nail? Nail, you know, this nail is key length. If you guess, it should be, it can be one, it is 1 centimeter or 1 meter or 1 kilometer. Which of the following will you measure in centimeters? Height of a banyan tree, length of 2000 rupees note, or distance from your house and school? Read the table and tell which plant has grown maximum. So you need to see the table, and the grown means the difference between current year and the last year. So which plant is showing the maximum? Add. You need to add the following I question. You need to subtract the following in the J question. K. Diksha completed one round of a square field whose one side is 500 meter. How far did she run? 2000 centimeter, 2 kilometer, 1000 kilometer, or 2000 kilometer? What are the various units used to measure the length? Gram, kilogram, milligram, centimeter, meter, kilometer, hours, seconds, and minutes. Measure the length of the pencil. So you see from the length of the pencil is started from 1 until what it is going. Measure the length and find the answer. Dheeraj has the longest jump of 3 meter 40 centimeter. Geeta jump 30 centimeter less than Dheeraj. So how long Geeta jump? In 1600 meter race run up, how many kilometers and how many meters? Ram is going to Kurukshetra, which is 94 kilometers away, and Lakshya is going to Delhi, which is 86 kilometers away in the opposite direction. So how far from Kurukshetra to Delhi? What is the distance total? A school teacher measured the height of 4th class students. Read the height given below and answer the following question. Who is the shortest student in the class? So you need to click the answer. From the above table, from the same table which is above, who is the tallest student? You need to click the name of the tallest student. And same third question is also from the above table. What is the difference between height of Sonu and the Rinki? Difference you know how to find out. What is the standard unit of length? Children, you all understood the different units of length, that is centimeter, kilometer, meter, decameter, decimeter, all will come when you go in the higher grades, all the units will come. But what is the standard unit of measurement of length is, you need to click that standard unit. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the K1.
K. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Diksha completed one round of a square. A square field has 4 sides, but the measurement of one side is given, which is 500 meter. So when she cover all the 4 sides, how much distance she is covering? This is the same question we have done from the textbook. Yes,
Ma'am, I can't understand the K1.
same question K. Dhwani was asking. If you have attended my class, I had explained the same question. It was there in your textbook. Okay, one side of a square field, one side is 500 meter. So what about the other 3 sides? If it is a square, and square, no, all the 4 sides are same. Okay, Pritika. So if you cross or cover the full round of the square figure, so how many kilometers or centimeters or meters you walked? You need to find out that answer. Draw this figure, then you will understand what it is asking. Draw this figure, write the measurement of the one length, which is already given 5 meter. So other 3 lengths, how you will find out if it's a square figure. Got it, Pritika?
Ma'am.
Yes, Dhwani.
Yes, ma'am. Explain L1.
JKL. What are the various units to measure the length? There is no difficulty, my dear. Which units we have learned for the length? Have you learned the gram, kilogram and milligram for the length? So which group of lengths we have learned in the measurement of lengths here? Which group of units we have used? So you need to click that group. Hour, second, minutes, or meter, kilometer, centimeter, or milligram, milligram, kilogram. Which units we have learned for the length? You need to click that group. Okay. Got it, Dhwani?
Ma'am, explain the M1.
Wait a
The
minute.
how to measure pen.
Wait. Which one? M.
Yes.
Measure the length of the pencil. Suppose if they are starting from the middle, no problem. You start measuring from there
Okay.
and see how many centimeter it is covering.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm not able to understand the P question.
Ram is going to Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is a place. He is going to Kurukshetra, which is, suppose he is starting from here and going to Kurukshetra, which is 94 kilometer. And Lakshya is the another child who is going opposite to it, which is Delhi he is going, which is 96 kilometer. So this side is Delhi and this side is Kurukshetra. And this is the center point. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the distance from Kurukshetra to Delhi? We have done the
N1.
example also.
Ma'am, N1.
Which one?
N.
Dheeraj has the longest jump of 3 meter 40 centimeter. Geeta jump 30 meter less than Dheeraj. How long Geeta jump?
Can you check my CT?
I'll check. I'll see.
In the G question I have ticked right and it's showing a wrong answer only.
RS. Which one? G. Let me check.
G question.
Mute yourself. I'll check. G1, right?
Yes.
Yes. Wait, I will do the changes. No, G1.
Yes.
Yes. I'll change the here, and then I'll give you a right to do it again. Students,
Yes,
if
ma'am,
you are
it's wrong.
yeah, it's by mistake done wrong. I'm giving you a right to resubmit it. Children, those who are were confused in G, please do the G again. I'm giving you a right to wait a minute. Yeah, you can edit. Those who were having a confusion, they can edit the G1 and do again. Changes are done. Are you able to log in again, Jignesh? Jignesh, are you able to open the Google form again?
Ma'am, I have edit my response, but I will submit that answer only. But then the answer will be showing correct now.
Then answer will be showing correct, and you will get the updated marks also.
Ma'am, I don't have any problem. So what is the problem?
In G1, if you face any difficulty, you can do it again.
Ma'am, now is correct. Okay.
Done, Jignesh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the CT.
Okay, let me see how many of you completed. Children, only 5 to 7 minutes are there. Please complete fast. Only 6 responses I can see. Vihan Vyas, not attending the class regularly. That is the problem you are facing.
Excuse me, ma'am. I not understand K1.
Wait a minute. There are 2 students who face difficulty in the G1. One is Arav Hapani. And Arav Hapani,
Yes, ma'am.
if you want to change the G answer, you can change and resubmit.
I have changed.
Arav Hapani has not changed and Vihan Vyas has not changed.
Ma'am, I think he has changed, but he has chosen the wrong answer only.
Who?
Ma'am? I
Vignesh.
think Arav is saying that he has changed, but I think he has chosen
Then
a wrong
he
answer.
know the wrong answer only. Okay. Arav Hapani and Vihan Vyas, I'm giving you a chance that if you have submitted the wrong answer in the G1, you can do it again and submit me. But others are doing good. Now, who was telling about the K1? Who was telling about the K answer?
Ma'am, Earth. Ma'am, Earth.
Earth. Okay, Earth, I'll read for you. Which one? K. We have done all the questions based on the same concept. Diksha completed 1 round of a square field whose one side is 500 meter. Same question you have in your textbook also, my dear. Same question. One side is 500 meter and there are 4 sides because it's a square field. So he is covering 1 round of that of a square field. So how many kilometers or meter he is walking?
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Okay. Yes, Krishav submitted. Very good, Krishav. Krishav, you did by your own?
Ma'am, I have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Which child is saying something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
You can explain the S1.
Wait a minute. Ritika, that is the reason that you need to attend the classes regularly. If you get absent, you will not able to do this because you were absent for 2 days.
Ma'am, in M I have written right, but it is showing me wrong.
Which one?
M.
No, all answers are right. Maybe you have submitted wrong. From the above table, answer the question, what is the difference between the height of Sonu and Rinki? There is no difficulty. You need to find out the difference between the height of Sonu and the height of Rinki.
Ma'am, M.
M is right. I am answering to Pritika. All the answers are correct. Students got 20 out of 20. Yes, Jignesh, yes or no? There are students who got full out of full. So there are all the options are correct. Only 5 minutes are left, students. Please do it fast. This is so easy paper.
Ma'am, I have submitted. Did you get?
Shivangini, I got Shivanginis. I have not received Shivani. Yeah, Shivani also received. Shivani, I received.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, after the class, I'll not allow you to submit. Please submit fast. There are still 5 to 7 students are there who need to submit me. Please submit fast, students.
Submitted just
Yeah,
now.
yeah, Vedi I received. I received Vedi, Pritika. Mohammed Kuledi, you need to work hard. Very simple question I have asked.
Ma'am, you got my.
Yes, Mohammed Momin, I received. You scored 19 marks, right? No need to write marks in the chat box. Everyone, please listen to this. No need to write the marks. I can receive the marks in my sheet. Dheer, have you completed or yes or no, Dheer? Not completed yet. What do you think? I'll give you extra time?
Ma'am, only RST is left.
Do it fast.
Yes.
Those who have completed, they take out the notebook and write the table of 12 and 13 in the notebook. Table of 12 and 13. Maths revision notebook. Maths revision notebook, table of 12 and 13. Arav Apani, you have completed the test by your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You score good marks. Please take out your revision notebook and write the table of 12 and 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush Miani, Arth Gujarati, need to practice a lot. If you see the Google form, it's very, very simple.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Just go. Start writing table of 12 and table of 13. No need to write the marks in the chat box, please. Asta did well, but Earth, you need the practice. Dear Kinsara, okay, 16, but
Ma'am,
need
the
to work.
table of 12 and 13 we have to learn.
If you have learned already, then you write. If you have not learned, so first learn and then write. Fast students, still there are. Write table of 12 and 13.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute your mic, someone mic is on. Student, someone mic is on.
Yeah.
1 minute more.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Mute your mic, please.
We have to write 12 and 13 tables in religion notebook.
Yes. Students, I'll start the next chapter number 4 from tomorrow. Read few pages and come and gather some knowledge from outside that this chapter is about what, so that whenever I ask the question in the live class and you can give it more comfortably, right? So do one thing, open the textbook today, take the page chapter number 4 and read it, at least 2-3 pages, read and come, so that when I will ask that this chapter is about which topic, and you can answer me comfortably. Got it? Show me thumbs up, yes or no. Tomorrow I am going to start the new chapter, chapter number 4. As you know, we have completed chapter 1, 2 and 3. Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So come read the 3-4 chapters of chapter number 4, 3-4 pages, and then come tomorrow. Okay. So thank you for today's class, students. Those who have completed, they can leave the class. Without silently leave the class, and those who are doing, they
Ma'am,
please stay.
I am doing CT.
My ma'am.
They stay, please. Others leave.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good
Thank you. Please leave.